I'm going to make oats cookies. It is a healthy and tasty recipe. Oats is one of the healthiest grain. I am adding in banana and egg, which provides essential nutrients for the body. The ingredients needed are butter, half cup, brown sugar, half cup, banana, 1 slice, 1 egg, oats, 1.5 cup, wheat flour, 3/4 cup, baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon, cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, little raisins and walnuts. Let's bake. First, we preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. Then we take a big bowl, we add butter, then brown sugar, then we beat it for 2 minutes till it becomes a creamy texture. After beating for 2 minutes, it has become a creamy texture like this. Then we add the banana and the egg. Then we beat it for 2 minutes till it becomes creamy. After beating for 2 minutes, it has become a creamy mixture like this. Then we add the oats, wheat flour, baking soda, cinnamon powder and the salt, vanilla extract, raisins and the walnuts. Then we mix it nicely. Now it's mixed very well. I will apply some oil on my palms. Then I will take the balls, the mixture and make small balls. Round the mixture into small balls. There are 15 of them. Now I am going to place them on the tray. When you are keeping, keep a distance. After placing them on the tray, we will flatten them slightly like this. Now I am going to place it in the oven for 10 minutes. I am placing them to the oven. Cookies are ready. Let's serve them.